Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by prepping like a pro. Clean each nail with alcohol to remove oils, push back cuticles, and buff lightly so stickers grip. Once done, sort press-on nails by size and test fit them without adhesive. Make sure to pick a sticker type that matches your nail curve, regular or full coverage. If a nail is too wide, file the sides of the press-on slightly. If too small, choose the next size up. Now you're ready to apply the sticker adhesive. You'll work one nail at a time. Peel the sticker backing carefully and avoid touching the sticky side so oils don't reduce adhesion. Position the sticker at the cuticle line, then smooth it outward to eliminate air pockets so edges lay flat. Next, align the press-on nail over the sticker and press firmly from cuticle to tip for about 10 to 15 seconds. Hold pressure on the center and edges. Once set, file or clip excess length, using a downward motion for a clean finish. Finish by trimming and gently filing the free edge to match your desired length, then buff any visible seams so the press-on looks natural. Once done, seal the perimeter with a clear top coat and let it dry fully. If you use a gel top coat, cure under a lamp. If an edge lifts within the first day, lift the press-on slightly, slide a new sticker or a tiny dab of nail glue underneath, press and hold. Keep cuticle oil off the adhesive to extend wear.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.